In today's fast-paced world, wet wipes have become an indispensable part of our daily lives. Their convenience is simply unbeatable. But have you ever stopped to think about what goes into making them? Behind every handy pack is a sophisticated manufacturing process, powered by innovative machinery and carefully chosen raw materials. If you're looking to dive into the booming wet wipe market or fine-tune your current production, understanding these crucial elements is your first step. Wet wipe machines come in many forms, designed to fit different production sizes, web types, and packaging styles. Generally, we can group them by how much they automate, what specific products they make, and our packaging abilities. In general, wet wipe machines can be classified by their automation level into semi-automatic wet wipe machines and fully automatic wet wipe machines. Semi-automatic wet wipe machines. These are a great starting point for smaller scale production or businesses just getting off the ground. They handle the core tasks like folding and impregnating, but you'll still need some manual help for things like loading raw materials, moving folded wipes to the packaging area. 我喜欢 individual pack. But due to rapid technological advancements, semi-automatic wet wipe machines have gradually been phased out, and fully automatic equipment now dominates the market. Fully automatic wet wipe machines. If you are serious about large-scale production, these are your workhorses. Fully automatic machines manage every step seamlessly. Automated raw material unwinding, precise tension control, 使飞起开的 folding, high-speed impregnation, and integrated counting, stocking, and packaging. They require minimal human touch and are built for continuous, high-volume output, essential for tackling mass market demands. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more information on wet wipe manufacturing.